everyone, my name is Roma and welcome to my YouTube channel. So currently I am at my most favorite place, and that is the roof of my house. There is a separate staircase wherein I can actually go and sit on my roof. Let me just show you. So guys, as a kid I used to love spending my time over here, and even now if I get a chance I come and sit over here for a while. But I've been trying to do this vlog since many days, but it was raining so I couldn't come. Today it's very sunny, so I've come here. Also it's very windy today, so I think I'm going to spend a lot of my time here. Not many people have seen this place. I like to call it my peace place, and that no one is allowed over here. But if I really like you, then maybe I'll get you here. So guys, I can literally sleep on the roof. It's recently painted, so it looks chakachak and new. So I can literally sleep and look at the sky on top. Let me show you the view. So guys, it's not like it's a very peaceful place. It is a very peaceful place, but I can hear the traffic around me all the time. I'm pretty sure you heard the sound of that bus, but I just like to sleep on this roof. It's very sunny today, but otherwise I enjoy my time over here. The sun is so damn bright today. Every time I come here, I make sure I click a picture and I post on Instagram. And every time people ask me, where is this place, which is this place? So I'm going to tell you all today, it's the roof of my house. It's one of my it's my favorite place. So I love spending my time over here. Even my nephew Shlok, he loves spending his time over here. And he begs me to take him over here every time he comes. And he's going to be very angry that I've come over here after seeing this vlog. So Shlok, when you come here again, we'll come on top, okay? Just come fast and soon. So guys, earlier there was a swing at this place, but then we removed it because it got spoiled due to the rains. It became all rusty, so we had to remove it. So as I told you all that there was a swing over here, let me tell you a very interesting story which is associated with me. When I was 2 years old, I was sleeping. My mom woke up and she went out of the room, and after some time when she came back, I wasn't there. They searched the whole house, and where was I? I was over here on the swing. You know, to get over here, first I had to climb down a very big step and then climb up a spiral staircase. So I don't know how I did that, but I was over here sitting on the swing and laughing. And my mom was so scared. I was just 2 or 3 years old, and where is this girl? She's nowhere to be seen. Go to see, I'm enjoying on the swing. Okay guys, the sun has gone behind the clouds, so I can literally open my eyes and look at the camera now. Thank you. Okay, and there's a very nice wind blowing also. So guys, I just called Shlok and I showed him where I am, and he was not upset, but he just said that whenever I am there you never take me. So I've promised him that I'm going to take him the next time. I video called my sister Tanvi and I called her on top. Tanvi, say hi to the vlog.
Hi vlog.
And today also she doesn't want to come in the video. Why?
I'm not feeling well.
So you just talk, let the vlog hear your voice. So what are you cooking for us today?
Today the head chef is cooking.
Oh yes, today my mom is cooking. I think she's going to make, what she's going to make today?
I don't know.
I think she's going to make neer dosa with chutney. I don't know. I like it, but let's see. I called Tanvi here to click some of my pictures. Thank you Tanvi for coming. Okay, I think we should go down now. Let's go. Because I'm feeling very hot now. Let's go. So guys, I'm back in my room and now I'm going to change because this is too hot. So yes. And I changed. Yes, I wore black only because most of the clothes that I have are black and blue. But this is comfortable. It's cotton. It's 2 sizes bigger on me. Pizza, burger, vada pav. I'm pretty sure you must have seen this shirt in many of my vlogs, but this is my most favorite shirt to wear at home and I just love it. Okay, so now I'm going to go and edit a video. So let's go. So guys, I was editing and my mom just called out to me and gave me yesterday's sabudana vada So I'm going to eat and edit at the same time. So yeah. Okay, now I'm tired. I only edit 1 or 2 videos at the most in one day, and I'm going to edit one more video at night, so I do not want to edit anymore. Now I'm just going to chill. So yeah. Also guys, my sister Tanvi helps me a lot in editing the videos, especially the hotel ones are edited all by her. I only edit the easy peasy vlogs. So thank you Tanvi for doing it. So guys, my mom just called me and told me that dinner is ready, so I'm on my way. All this time I was working on an article. So yeah, now let's go have dinner. So guys, I just had dinner. My mom had made neer dosa and chutney. I love that combo. And now I'm having some dates. I love dates. I'm going to end my video here. If you enjoyed this vlog, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Show some support, yeah, come on. Subscribe. And yes, I'll be back soon with some more videos. Bye.